What's up, everyone? I am your IELTS friend. If you're gearing up for your IELTS exam, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down one of the trickiest parts of the IELTS listening test, multiple choice questions, and guess what? We're doing it in under 3 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 super simple strategies to nail these questions. So, hit that like button, get ready to learn, and let's dive straight in. All right, first things first. You always get a few seconds to look at the questions and options before the audio starts. This is your chance to sneak a peek and know what you're listening for. Quickly skim the question, underline keywords, and get your brain in gear. For example, if the question says, "What time does the train leave?" Be on the lookout for times and schedules in the audio. Tip 2. Don't wait to hear the exact words. IELTS is all about paraphrasing. So, if the question says the most popular, the audio might say something like most people prefer. They're testing your ability to recognize ideas, not just words. You might expect popular, but hear common choice instead. Keep those ears sharp for synonyms. Now here's where IELTS can mess with you distractors. The speaker might mention something like, "I thought I'd take the bus, but ended up walking." If you're not paying attention, you might pick bus when the correct answer is walking. Classic trickery. Stay on high alert when they switch things up midway. That's where many people slip up. Tip 4 is all about zoning in on the main idea. Don't get caught up in every little detail. You're listening for the key point. If the question is about a decision or opinion, listen carefully for what the speaker finally settles on. Just focus on the bigger picture. What's the main message here? That's your key to success. And lastly, elimination is your best friend. If you're unsure, knock out the answers you know are wrong. Narrow it down, and boom, you've got a better chance of picking the right answer. Even if you're not 100% sure, ruling out wrong answers can make a huge difference. It's all about giving yourself the best odds. And there you go. 5 simple tips to crush IELTS listening MCQs. Let's recap. Sneak a peek at the questions. Listen for paraphrasing. Watch out for distractors. Focus on the main ideas. Eliminate the wrong answers. Use these strategies, and you'll be tackling those MCQs with confidence. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more IELTS tips, and drop a comment with what part of the exam you're struggling with. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your IELTS prep. You've got this.